Hi, I'm Jack. I'm from Newport. So I was lucky enough to get an opportunity on a film set as a trainee, and while I was on that set I met people that were working for Skill Cymru, and they told me the details about it, and I just thought it would be a perfect opportunity for me, and once I was done with my university I'd go for it, and yeah. So hopefully I'll use these 12 months to build connections, to network, and after these 12 months I can stand out there on my own and get work after this and keep on going.